study smarter, not longer. Let's be honest. You don't really have a time problem. You have a focus problem. You sit down to study, and suddenly your phone, YouTube, snacks, everything becomes more interesting than your work. If that sounds like you, stay for 3 minutes. I'll show you a simple way to manage your study time and actually get things done. Here's how most of us do it. We say, I'll study for 3 hours today. Sounds productive, right? But then we waste the first 30 minutes. Then we check our phone. Then we get tired. At the end, we feel guilty and tell ourselves we're lazy or not smart enough. That's not true. The plan itself was bad. Here's a better way. Instead of forcing yourself to study for hours, break it into short focus blocks. Try this, study for 25 minutes. Then take a 5-minute break. That's one block. Do 3 or 4 of these blocks, and you've already done more real work than most people do in a whole evening of kind of studying. Next rule, 1 task per block. Don't try to study 5 subjects at the same time. For 25 minutes, pick only one thing. Example, do 10 math questions. Or, review 1 chapter. When your brain knows exactly what to do, it stops fighting you. It's much easier to start. Rule 2, remove the obvious distractions. Yeah, you've heard this before. But it actually works if you really do it. Put your phone in another room, or at least out of reach. Close unnecessary tabs. Tell yourself, for just 25 minutes, nothing else exists except this one task. You're not doing this forever. Just one block. Now make it feel like a game. Draw a simple chart or checklist. Every time you finish a 25-minute block, tick a box. Your goal for the day can be, just 3 blocks. That's only 75 minutes of real focus. But if you do that consistently, your results will explode over weeks and months. You don't need to be a genius. You don't need to study 10 hours a day. You just need to win a few small blocks of focus, every day. Start with one 25-minute block right after this video. Don't wait for motivation. Set a timer. Choose one task. Start. Your best grades start with better habits. Subscribe and let's build them together.